So in today's video we are going to talk about the green screen. Okay, so the green screen is also known as the chroma key. Okay, so let's see the meaning of the green screen, which is also known as the chroma key. It is the technique that we use in video production to replace the background of a scene with different image or video. Okay, so it is the technique that we use while carrying out our video production, okay, to replace the background of a scene, okay, to replace the background with another background or another video or image. Okay, so research has proven that there are two colors that can be easily removed from a picture or video, and the two colors are green and blue. Okay, the green screen is the most common one that you can remove easily and replace it with another background. Okay, but that of the blue, it's also easy in removing. Okay, so we can use the green screen to do a lot of things, and it also help a lot while carrying out video production. So we are going to see the tips for working with green screen. Okay, so the things you should consider while working with the green screen. Okay, so make sure that there is a light at the background while you are filming with a green screen. Okay, so it will work well in editing it in the software. Okay, so make sure there is light and let the light be bright enough so it can capture the face of the actor, the subject. All right, so make sure that you stay a bit away from the green screen while filming. Okay, so you don't cast a shadow on the green screen, and also it will help the separation to go smoothly. Okay, while you are filming and you are making use of the green screen, okay, so stay a bit away from the green screen itself so you don't cast a shadow, because if there's a shadow there while editing it, after removing the background, you will see that the shadow will still appear there and it will make your video to be poor. Okay, so take notes of this. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.